Just N. Janine Gutierrez, trending sa napakaganda at napaka-sexing kasuotan na gawa ni Mark Baumgartner. Grabe mga ka-startalk spot. Janine Gutierrez just broke the internet, literally. Sa ABS-CBN Ball 2025, siya ang tinaguriang best dressed of the night, dahil sa kanyang napaka-elegante pero super hot na gown na custom-made ng none other than the fashion genius Mark Baumgartner. Ang kasuotan, isang bronze silk couture gown na may daring thigh-high slit at low-cut neckline, flawless ang pagkaka-fit, at bawat hakbang ni Janine ay parang runway moment sa Milan Fashion Week. The fabric hugged her curves in all the right places, habang ang soft shimmer effect ay nagbigay ng Latina goddess vibes. Literal na parang statue come to life si Janine. At syempre, sino pa ba ang trending sa X, Twitter, at Instagram kundi siya? Hashtag Janine Gutierrez. Hashtag Mark Baumgartner Magic. Hashtag Latino Queen Vibes. Lahat yan umakyat agad sa top trends. Netizens and celebs alike couldn't stop praising her. Mas mahigit, Janine Gutierrez is the moment. That dress by Mark Baumgartner is everything. Ganda, ganda, ganda. Parang hindi Pinay, more like Miss Universe Latina category. At syempre, hindi rin pinalampas ng fans ang possible reaction ni Echo. Marami ang nagbiro sa comments. Mas mahigit, umuulan ba ng pagsisisi, Echo? Baka gusto mo ng second chance, bro. Ganyan kaganda ang iniwan mo. Good luck. One thing's for sure, Janine Gutierrez is not just glowing, she's blazing. And with Mark Baumgartner dressing her like royalty, we can only expect even more iconic fashion moments to come. Stay tuned, mga ka-startalk spot, dahil kung ganda lang ang labanan, panalo na si Janine.